Introducing Site24x7 for iOS 26. Liquid glass in Site24x7. Edge-to-edge layouts maximize space and clarity. A glassy, translucent look adds depth, creating an immersive feel. Smooth overlays and navigation blending make every interaction effortless. Search feels seamless, always within reach, adapting to any screen. And all of this comes together in a consistent premium UI across OS. Apple Intelligence. Introducing Reason Analysis. It smartly connects performance metrics with logs to explain why an alarm was triggered and even suggests solutions, powered by Apple Intelligence to help you fix issues faster. Comment Summary. It uses Apple Intelligence to distill long comment threads into clear actions, updates, and decisions, so you instantly get the gist without endless scrolling. Notification Summary uses Apple Intelligence to condense your top 25 notifications into key updates and actions, giving you the essentials instantly. With these, Site24x7 now faster, smarter, and fully native.